Here we are at the second floor of the house, the very top, where the masters of the house stays here. Here, as you enter the master space, you have this very beautiful design feature. So they requested to have this Hermes scarf tied by 4 corners with tensile cable. At the back of it is actually a white backdrop door panel hiding a DP box. You wouldn't know it. So this space is the master bedroom area, and we have this bedroom design with the stone feature wall and also a wood wall panel design. So as the continuation of the character of the house from downstairs with the black accent lines and the sweet wood color continues, but you wouldn't notice until you look closely that actually we used different kinds of wood texture and laminate to give the space some character differently in a way for each space, because we didn't want to repeat everything the same. So apart from the unique DB box design made, we also have 2 other things here that is very unique. One is this ghost sliding door. You won't see the track. You would think that is actually a normal wall panel, but it's actually an access towards the master bathroom area. And on this side, we hung the client's wedding photo. The frame was actually remade to fit the whole design of the house. But if we put this frame down, actually this is an accessible window so that you can open up in case of emergency. In front of this bedhead area is this beautiful TV cabinet design. It is very simple, subtle, yet has a serene and calm essence to it. The unique thing about this cabinet design is the sharp chamfered edge, drawers, and lift-up door panels. It has a diamond-shaped edge, but not to worry, it's not really sharp. It has a rounded tip to it. Soft closing, seamless, and nice to see. From the master bedroom, we actually have 2 soft-closing sliding glass doors. So let's see what's behind door number 1. Here we have the walk-in closet. We have an island counter for the client's jewelry and also watches. Here we have a display cabinet for the client's collections of labubus and designer bags. We also have ample wardrobe space for clothes, displays for decors, and drawers. So the clients have enough space and storage for all their things. Here we also have another ghost sliding track mirror door that goes straight to the client's master bathroom. Next to the TV cabinet is door number 2, which leads to the home office. Here we have a large office space with a desk that can be elevated automatically. And here we have a balcony that overlooks the afternoon sun. On the balcony outside of this home office is a private garden. Here we have an imported Brazilian palm tree. We actually have to hire a crane to lift the palm tree up to place it over here in this planter. So as we say at the beginning of the video, who says luxury has to look a certain way? Minimalist and simple can look just as luxurious for a better family lifestyle. Until next time, see you soon. Bye!